Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to do a super fast pizza recipe. I have 600 grams of all-purpose flour, 50 grams of olive oil, 350 grams of warm water, 10 grams of yeast, and our last ingredient, 5 grams of salt. Those are the ingredients, so let's get started. So we'll get all of our flour into the bowl, our yeast, and then I'm going to just basically buffer or hide or protect that yeast in all of that flour. Just like that. Add in the salt, stir that in, and then the water, and my water 110 degrees Fahrenheit, and then my olive oil. That's good. I wasn't going to film this today, but I thought might as well. Let's get that on there and bring it up. Just get this going. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a timer on. I'm going to let this go for 10 minutes. So that's speed number 1 or 2. 1, 2, there's 2. I'm going to go at 1. So 10 minutes, I'll be back. Alright, there we go. That's our 10 minutes. We'll bring down our little thing here and you can see how nice this dough is. And then, let's remove our nice dough. So you can see how fast this recipe is compared to something much more advanced like the poolish that I did a couple of recipes ago. So this here, you can make it and eat it, you know, the same day within a couple of hours. There we go. Let's just scoop this out. Nice dough. Make sure your bowl's nice and clean. There we go, that's good. Alexa, 1015 divided by 4.
1015 divided by 4 is 253.75.
So I'm going to make 4 dough balls. I need about 253 each. 253 grams. 256. 254. 254. 251, close enough. So there we go. All our dough balls are ready. Just want to take your dough ball, push it out a little bit, bring it in towards itself, just like that. And then just go under the dough ball, and as you go, you push and you bring your hands together, just like that. Bring it over. Now I'm going to be doing these in pans today, which is going to make it really easy. So there are the dough balls. So I have 8-inch square pans here. I've got 4 of them. So I've already oiled them. So I just take the dough ball, place it in the middle, just like that. And there we have it. So 4 nice dough balls all ready to go. Grabbing my oil spray. I just want to give the top a nice little spray. I don't want the dough drying out. And that is it. So now we're just going to let these rise. And once they have risen, you're going to see they're going to nicely puff up. And then later on, in about 2 hours, I'll just take my hands and I just push the dough down into the corners. Put your pizza sauce on, your cheese, your toppings, and then right into the oven. And then I just want to cover each one of these with a little piece of plastic wrap, just like that. So I will come back in a little while just to show you what the progress is on the yeast activity in our pizza dough balls. So I'll just leave them there like that. I'll come back in a little while. So here we are again. This is about 1 hour later, and you can really see how much our dough has expanded. I'll just take this off because I think that's blocking we're getting a glare from the camera. But look at this dough. Look at how nice that is and how much that has risen. I'd say that is easily doubled in size, even more than double. So I'm going to close that down. So at this point, if you were making pizza the same day, you can just start using those right now. Or if you're doing it in a few hours later, you can take them and just put them into the fridge and just let them cool down. That'll just settle the yeast and it'll give it a little bit more action or power for when it hits the oven. But right now, that's really the end of the video. So what I'm going to do later on when we make pizza, I'm going to take some photos of the pizza. I'll get little pictures of my son because he wants to do it tonight. So you'll see his fingers. He's going to push down the dough, add the sauce, cheese, and the toppings, and then we'll bake it off. So anyway, I'm really happy with the dough. This looks excellent. So that's it for now, and I'll be back in a bit. So to finish off the video as promised, here are some photos of our pizza bake. You can see the pizza really did well. And I baked these for 8 minutes at 500 degrees Fahrenheit. So a really fun one to do, and you can see that you save a lot of time by putting the dough directly into the little pans that you're actually going to bake in. So that's it for this really fun video. If you enjoyed it, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, you can also check me over there at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. So that's it for today's video. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.